Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a problem with my Range Rover again. Radiator this time. This has been letting oil get into the water. I've got oil cooler this end and a transmission cooler the other end of this radiator, and it's all built in. Replaced this a few years ago, and it sprung a leak inside here. Now the new radiator is over £300, so I'm going to attempt to cut this open along here, take off this end pack, take off the oil cooler cover, which you can see here. The oil cooler goes in here, and then I'm going to try and repair the oil cooler if I can, and then I'm going to attempt to glue this back together with the aluminium weld things that you can get, because I haven't got a TIG welder and they're a bit expensive to buy. That would cost me more than a new rad, so I have put feelers out to ask if anybody could do this for me, the welding, and nobody's got back. They said they're on holiday, or there's just nothing going on. So I've got to get this done, and first of all I'm going to cut this off with an angle grinder all the way around. It's going to be a bit difficult here underneath this joint. I'll probably get the little Dremel in there, and then clean it all up and find out by putting air into the system where the oil cooler is leaking, and then put it all back together. So wish me luck on this one, because I've never done this before. Not only that, while it's apart, I'm probably going to clean out the radiator as well, if I can find something thin enough that'll go through the fins, through these cooling tubes, and clean that all out as well, so that it's all 100% when it goes back together. So we'll see how we get on. Safety squints are engaged. I've got my glasses, safety glasses, and a mask on, and see if we can cut this open. Anyway, you get the idea. We'll be back when I've cut that off. And that's it. I end up cutting slightly into there on both sides and then bending it, and it's finally snapped off clean. So now this is what we've got. So it looks like this has got corroded here. Lots of crap in it. Loads of crap, and looks like some of that is all sorts of clogs in that one. I'm going to clean that out. Not sure what I'm going to do with this oil cooler. Yeah, it's just a tube, so I don't know what's going to happen there. Have to see if I can easily get at it and find out where it's leaking from. Looks like it might be leaking from the top though. Anyway, and in here this is all caked up and clogged, and as you saw in the previous bit, all this was all mucky and horrible, and it's really clogged up. So what I did was I welded 3 hacksaw blades together to create a long tool, which is slightly longer than the radiator, and I've been through every single hole in the radiator, because it was really clogged up, with this tool like this, until it hit the other side, and then pulled it out and cleaned each one of those and forced water through it at the same time, and now every single one of these is clean. So now all that remains now is to put the top back on it. I have purchased some of this alumi-weld stuff. Don't know if it's going to work on this. It's low melt aluminium rod, and I've got a couple of little coils like this of it, which should be enough to do this. I'll just wipe my hands, clamp it back together, clean it with a wire brush, and then we'll get on. Right, I've got my map gas, and here it goes. I'm going to have a look, see what we can do. Well, I don't think that's going to work. That is really hot, and it's just breaking off. It's not melting evenly, so looks like that's a fail. Well, thanks for watching. Hope that's been of some use to somebody. A bit of a fail this time, but if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And I'll probably see you next time in the next one, where hopefully I will have a new radiator, and it'll be fitting the radiator to the Range Rover. All the best for now. Bye now.